Hi, this is Brian here again. We are talking about the March-June 2017 question paper, and we are focused in section C, question 31, part A. In my earlier video, I've already talked about the material price variances. So in this video, I will be focusing on the material usage variance. As you can see in my workings over here, I've already highlighted the parts of the question which is important, which is only this part over here and the given activity levels. So let's start with our calculation. First of all, we need to extract what is the important information that is required to calculate material usage variances. Okay, so first of all, we are given standard quantity. The standard quantity in this question is given as 2.2 meters divided by 110%. Now the reason why it is 2.2 divided by 110 is here. Each new dress now requires 2.2 meters of material, which is 10% more than the previous style of dress required. So that would give me 2.2 divided by 1.1 gives you 2. So this was the original amount of material needed for each dress. You have a revised quantity, which is 2.2 meters. This is given. 2.2 meters. So this is given to you. And then you have your actual quantity. But in this scenario, you don't really need to calculate the actual quantity because they have given you the total amount purchased, which is 54560. So you don't need to worry about that so much. Now, just to keep in mind, whenever we calculate usage variances, we value any variance at standard price. So in this case, standard price is 2.85 divided by 95%, which gives us $3. So all the usage variances will be valued at standard price, $3 per meter. Okay, so let's start. Our first variance that we're going to do is the material usage planning variance. Now, whenever we calculate planning and operational variances, we want to use the actual quantity, right? We want to use the actual quantity. So our first quantity we need to calculate will be 2 meters multiplied by 2 meters multiplied by the actual number of units you plan to sell, which is 24,000. Now, where did I get this number from? I got it from here. Actual production and sales is 24,000. We are going to take this and minus our revised quantity, which is 2.2 meters multiplied by 24,000. Okay, some of you are good at math. You realize that I've just repeated myself over here, but this is just to make things clear. Once you have calculated that amount, you are going to multiply it by $3. And that will give you an answer of $14,400 adverse. That will give you $14,400 adverse. Now, why adverse? Is because 2.2 meters is more than 2 meters. So you will be consuming more material. That's why it's you need to spend more money for that. So that's why the answer is adverse. Okay. Now we're going to move forward to the material usage operational variance. So, and that is the difference between the revised quantity and the actual quantity. So we are still going to take 2.2 meters multiply by the actual quantity, which is 24,000, and we are going to minus this from the actual usage, which is given as 54560 meters, given over here. 54560 meters. After we've done with that, we are going to multiply everything again. Multiply everything by $3. That should give us a total amount of $5280 adverse. Now, where do we get this adverse number from? Is because the amount of materials actually purchased is more than the revised quantity over here. That means this number is more than this number, so it is adverse. This gives us a total material material variance based on our calculations of the price variance also. It will be 11496 adverse as your final answer. Okay, so that's your final answer for the entire question. It will be 11496, and here I've calculated material usage planning variance. So you realize that sometimes in a question they split the information which is required. Sometimes it's up here, and then you need to take data from down here as well. And yeah, that's what you need to do to answer part A. Thank you very much.